What's up guys, and welcome to the 12th tutorial of programming in C using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about user input. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go right to the top and type in int main, then your parentheses and your curly braces, and then now type in int a. So that's the declaration. Move on to the next line and type in printf and say speech marks. Within those, say, please can you enter a number, and the colon, put a space in there, close that off, and in the next line you can say scanf, speech marks again, %i, comma, and ampersand a, because it reads in the address, and then go to the next line and now type in printf, speech marks again, and say you have entered, and then say %i, put a comma there, and say a, close that off, and that should work. So let's compile and execute and see what actually happens. But before we do that, let's just run through the program and see what's actually happening. So we have a program to demonstrate the user input. At the top, we declare it. We print it out on the next line by saying, can you enter a number? Ampersand a just reads in the address, and then on the next line, you have entered your number. Okay, let's run and execute this. Let's compile it and see what happens. Please, can you enter a number? So if I enter 9, you have entered 9. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.